Hey guys, it's Yvette and I am back with the final piece of putting this mini quilt together for the winter flurries. So step one on the last week, which I know was probably like a gajillion weeks ago, but bear with me, is we are going to make 4 blocks with 2 flying geese each, and they're going to look identical just like this. And so all I'm going to have to do is flip it over this way and sew across here. So what I'm going to do is, since I forgot to mark my seam, my scant 1/4 inch, I'm going to go do that now, and then I'm going to come back and sew those together and do it chain pieced. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back and I'm going to sew these together. We're going to chain piece them and let's get started. Okay guys, so I have finished chain piecing these together. So I'm going to go over to the ironing board and I'm going to press them open. That's how they go. And I will be right back. We'll start the next step. Okay everybody, I'm back and this is the next step. These are the flying geese that we just made together, and these are some squares that we made, I think, 2 weeks ago. So what we need to do is sew this square to this square right here. And of course I'm sitting right here and thinking, gosh, I have not marked my scant 1/4 inch as usual. So I'm gonna turn off the camera for a second, go and make those marks, and then I'll be right back and we will chain piece those together. Stay tuned. Okay, so we're back and I have drawn my lines, my scant 1/4 inch lines, and I'm going to start putting these squares together. So here we go. Okay, so we have finished sewing all of these together. I am going to take it over to the ironing board and press this out, and then I'll be right back for the next step, so don't go anywhere. Okay guys, so I'm back and I am in the process of putting together the 3 block layers that we have. So this is the one for right in the middle, and what we are doing with this one is we have this one square that had the red on the outside. It's the only one. And we're going to put these 2 pieces, so these 2 on either side. The arrows are going to be facing out. Okay. So let me just chain piece that really quick. Okay, hold up. No. I'm going to show you all of them first, and then I'll chain piece them, because otherwise it's too confusing. So this is the middle row. Okay. put that to the side for a second. And then we have this one. We have 2 of these squares, okay? We're going to take one with that dark red piece down in this corner, and these arrows are going to be pointing up, and then we'll also be putting this one with the dark red square. You can't even see that, can you? This block with the dark red square in the middle. So these 2 dark red half square triangles are going to be down in are going to be in the middle. Okay, so we want to have those both on the bottom. Okay, and then the last one is we're going to take this piece, and we have the red in the top right here, and then this square where the arrows are going to point down, and the last one, let's scooch that over, is going to be here with the dark red in the top left of your screen, okay? Or on this square. So I'm going to go ahead and chain piece all of these together and then come back. So have fun watching. You got scooch, buddy. I got it sew right there. No, you can't be right there, bud. JB. Great. Now he's like, what are you doing, honey bun? What are you doing? You are a little cutie pie. Now everybody's watching you just relax on the sewing machine, and they cannot be able to see anything I'm sewing. You don't think that's important, huh? No, I know. I know you don't. I know. Wait, you can't step on it. No, you can't love it right now, baby. Jelly bean. Jelly bean. Get on top of the sewing machine, babe. I have no place to sew. I can't sew right now. Look at this one. Can you believe this? Hogging up the whole sewing machine area. JB, you gotta scooch. It is very cute. You are so cute, you have no idea. But mommy really has to sew, baby. I'm on camera and everything. I'm like filming. Okay guys, so I'm back. I have finished sewing everything as you were watching and so you saw. I'm going to go and press all of these seams out, and then we're going to join these 3 strips together and it will be finished. So I will be right back as soon as I get these seams pressed. Okay guys, we're in the home stretch. I'm so excited. I can't wait to get done because I'm starving. Yes. Alright, can't wait to get done so I can go have dinner. Oh gosh, this is crazy. Alright, so look there's not enough room for me to spread all this out, but I'm going to hook the 3 together and then I'm going to slap it up on my project wall and then we're going to see the final picture, okay? And this to me is like the worst part. I have no problem making blocks. I hate putting them together because it just proves to me how terrible I am at all of this. And stop it, it's true. No, my squares do never come out right, ever. But I'm going to get this thing. I swear I'm going to get this thing. It's going to come together for me someday. Alright, so I'm going to chain piece them. You guys just sit and watch. Okay guys, we have finished putting this whole thing together and I am so happy it's done. There it is, preliminary. I'm going to go and press it and hang it up on my design wall and then give you the final shot of the Winter Flurries mini quilt by the Fort Worth Fabric Studio. So stay tuned, I'm going to be right back with that. Okay guys, so here's the quilt. For some reason I'm not able to get the entire thing in the camera. It's not even that big a quilt, it's a mini quilt. And you know what, from this far away it looks fine. You can see all my cotton cut stuff all around it. But anywho, I'm happy with it. I think it looks nice. And yeah, so there we go. The Winter Flurries Fort Worth Fabric Studio mini quilt all put together. So now I just have to find somebody to quilt it for me. Anyway, sorry it's so late. Hope you guys really enjoyed this. And I will see you guys really soon. Bye-bye.